Now we are going to start with the merchant. We are going to continue with the Merchant of Venice, where we had left in the last session. In this session, we are going to continue from there. In our last session, we were doing Act 1, Scene 2, and we had reached up till line number 150. We'll do from line number 151. It is Portia's speech. Portia, you see, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am, thought for myself. Now Portia is saying that you see, Lord Bassanio, as I stand here, I am in reality thought, though for myself alone. Portia is saying that the way I am standing now, it is actually my real self, and I am not pretending in any case. Though for myself alone, and Portia is saying that myself alone means I am standing in reality in such a way. I am standing in reality. It is not that I am pretending. I would not have the ambitious in my wish to wish myself much better yet for you. I would be treble 20 times myself, 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich. Now Portia is saying, but for the sake, I have no ambition for myself to be better. Portia is saying that I would not be ambitious in my wish. She is saying, she has said, though for myself alone, I would not have any ambition for my wish. She is saying that to improve myself for my own self, I would never like to do so. It has never been my intention to improve myself just for the sake of myself. But then she says that to wish myself much better yet for you, but I would like to improve, and I wish to improve upon myself and become better just because I want to do it for you, just because I want to do it for you. Then she says, I wish that I might be. Then she says, I would trebled 20 times. Trebled means thrice 20 of 20 divided by 3. That is thrice of 20. That is, I would try to improve myself 60 times. 60 times. How she would like to improve? 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich. I would like for you, if you want me to, I would like to improve myself 60 times more, and then I would like to, if you want me to become fairer, I would like myself to become fairer by 1,000 notches, by 1,000 more notches, and then 10,000 times more rich. And then if you want me to become more rich, I would try to become more rich 10,000 times, 10,000 notches more rich, because you want me to become like that. So whatever I am doing for your sake, not for my sake. That only to stand high in your account. Now Portia is saying that I want to improve on myself these number of times, on my fairness, on my riches, on my entire self, as I have stated, and I don't want to do it for myself, but I want to do it so that I can stand in a respectable position in your image. I can have a respectable image in your eyes. I can have a respectable image in your eyes. I might in virtues, beauties, livings, friends exceed amount. Now Portia is saying that in virtues means in qualities, I might have greater qualities, I might be more beautiful, I might be more generous, I might be more friendly, but the full sum of me is sum of something which to term in gross. Now she is saying that, but when I sum up all the qualities of myself, that is when I put all the qualities together, then the sum is, then the output is, she says, is something which in term in gross is unlessoned girl, unschooled, unpracticed, happy in this. But when I put sum up all these qualities, and if I say that I am unlessoned, unpracticed, and uncultured, then she says that if you are ready to accept me in such a manner, then I am happy in this also. There is nothing that would worry me if I am being accepted by you. Happy in this. She is not yet so old, but she may learn. Portia is saying she too for herself. Portia is saying that I am young enough and I can still learn. If I am uncultured, unschooled, and inexperienced, then still I can learn because I am of a very young age. She is bred so dull, but she can learn. She is, Portia is saying, but she may learn. Portia is saying that I am still young and I can still learn. But then Portia says, happier than this, she is not bred so dull that she can learn. Portia is saying that I am myself not so old, I have not grown so old that I might think that I might not be able to learn. I think that I will be still able to learn because I am young. Happiest of all is that her gentle script commits itself to yours to be directed. Portia says that the most happiest thing is that the gentle spirit, that the gentle spirit, that is the soul that is there inside me, is committed towards being yours, towards being yours. As from to be directed, to be yours as from her lord, her governor, her king. She is saying that the nature in me has from my inner soul I have entrusted my entire self, entire soul to you, as you are my governor, you are my lord, and you are my king. Myself and what is mine to yours and to you and yours is now converted. Now for myself means my individual self, and whatever belongs to me is now, whatever belonged to me which was owned by me, now it is all yours. Now it has all been passed on to you, and now it is all yours. But now I was the lord of fair Manson, master of my servants. Portia is saying is now converted, and now she is saying that now, till now I was the master of this fair Manson, means the palace. I was the master of this palace. The servants were mine, and I used to guide them, queen over myself, and I was my own queen. I was the one who used to rule over myself. And even now, but now this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours. But now, since you have won me in the casket and you have proved your love, so now everything that was mine, that is the servants, the mansion, the palace, and even for myself, now it has all been, now it is all yours. Now it all belongs to you. I give them with this, but this house are yours, my lord. Now she is paying tribute to Bassanio, and she is greeting Bassanio as she is saying, my lord. I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love, and by my vintage to claim on you. Presage means to assign or to sign off, to depart from something, Now she is saying, Portia is saying that since you have now become my lord, my master, I give with them this ring. Now everything that I am entrusting upon you that belong to me, along with it I am entrusting this ring also upon you, which when you part from, which when you will separate from, if you separate yourself from the ring, or lose or give away, or if you in any circumstances you lose the ring or you give it away to someone, let it presage the ruin of your love. Let it be the sign of, let it be the symbol that you are actually destroying your love towards me. and by my vantage to exclaim on you. By my opportunity to exclaim on you means to accuse your fault. Exclaim means to accuse. Vantage means opportunity. Vantage means opportunity and exclaim means to accuse. Accuse. Now, if you lose this ring, if you part with it, or if you give it away to someone, just remember that in a way you would be destroying the love, you would be separating the love that is there between me and you, and then I will have the opportunity to accuse you for doing such an act. Bassanio, madam, you have bereft me of all the words. Bereft means you have deprived. Bereft means deprived. Bassanio is now saying that Madam Portia, he is addressing to Portia as Madam, and he is saying that Portia, now you have deprived me of all the words. That is, you have made me fall short of words. You have actually made me fall short of words. Only my blood speaks to you in my veins, and now the blood that is running inside my body in the veins, that blood only can speak. It is only that blood can now only be the testimony and speak for whatever you have spoken, because you have made me feel deprived of the words, short of words. There is such a confusion in my parts as for some oration fairly spoke. Now, oration means some people, some person who speak. Now, Bassanio is saying that there is so much confusion in my thoughts, like the one that follows after the speech. Like the one that follows after the speech of whom fairly spoke by a beloved prince. After a prince delivers a speech for the beloved, after that speech there is a confusion in the prince's mind, because the confusion is that doth appear among the buzzing pleased multitude. Multitude means applaud. Buzzing pleased, the people who are present over there, they applaud the prince for whatever speech they make, but the prince gets confused because of the applause. Bassanio is saying that I am also feeling the same confusion within me. I am also experiencing the same confusion within me, where everything being blended together, where everything is combined together, where everything combines together, turn to while of nothing, save of joy, expressed and non-expressed. Now he is saying where every feeling blended together produces a wild confusion. The feeling that he is experiencing as of now, he is not exactly able to describe that feeling. That is why he is saying that all the emotions, they have combined together, and that they have created a tremendous amount of confusion. And then he says, and those confusions, they are expressing nothing, but they are expressing only joy, while of nothing. They are not able to express anything, and they are expressing only joy, and they expressed and not expressed. And those emotions that are there inside me, those feelings that are there inside me, they have combined and created so much confusion that though I want to express them, but I am not able to express them. But when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hence. But when this ring leaves my finger, maybe it may be but when this ring parts from this finger, then parts life from hence. From hence means from me. Then he is saying that the only occasion, since you are asking me to prove my love, I am telling you that the only thing that can happen, that can separate me from this ring, is the deathbed. Death is the only thing that will separate me from this ring that you have given to me. Oh, then be sore to say Bassanio dead, and you may with and then you may say with certainty. Then you may say, be bold to say. Then you might be compelled. You might be having surety to say that Bassanio is dead when I am separated from this ring. Now Nerissa speaks. My lord and lady, it is not now our time. My lord and lady, it is now our time for us who have stood by and seen our wishes prosper. Now Nerissa is actually requesting, and she is saying that now our time has come, because for this much time we have stood here and we have seen how things have progressed in such a fruitful manner according to our wishes. To cry good joy, my lord and lady. Now she is saying that since our wishes have come true, since whatever we wanted has actually happened, now the time has come for us to rejoice, to celebrate it. Gratiano, my lord, Bassanio, and my gentle lady, I wish you all the joy that you can wish, for I am sure you can wish none from me. Now, Gratiano is saying that Lord Bassanio and gentle Lady Portia, I pass on my best wishes to you, knowing that you cannot wish for any more than I wish for. Now, he is saying that the wishes are pure and the most grateful wishes I am giving to you, and you could have asked for nothing more than me, more than this from me. Then he says, and when your honors mean to solemnize. Now solemnize means celebrate. Solemnize means to celebrate. And Gratiano is saying, and when your honors, but when you celebrate, when your honors mean to solemnize, means to celebrate the bargain of your faith, the bargain, that is the business that you have made between the belief you had. Because of the belief you had, you have made such a profit in the business that you took up. I do beseech you, I do request you, even at that time, I may be married too. Now he is saying that he is requesting, and he is saying that since you will be having an official ceremony of marriage after a very short time, then the bargain, that is the business you had, the business you have just done, because you had faith in that, I just request you, I just want you to swear by that business, by the profit that you have made, that let me also get married at the same time when you are getting married, when you people are getting married. Bassanio, with all my heart, so thou canst get a wife. Bassanio says that most certainly you can get married at that time itself, provided you get a lady to get married, provided you get a wife to get married at that time. Gratiano, I think your lordship, you have got me one. I think your lordship has got me one. I thank you, your lordship, you have got me one. I thank you, my lord Bassanio, because I have got one lady. My eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. My eyes, my lord, can look as quickly as yours eyes. My eyes are also so much quick that it has found a lady as quickly as your eyes were. You saw the mistress, I beheld the maid. You saw the mistress, you saw the... He's saying that you saw the mistress, I beheld the maid. You saw the mistress and I saw the maid. You saw the mistress. While you were making love with the mistress Portia, that at the same time I had found my love in her maid. You loved, I loved for intermission. You loved, I loved for intermission. He's saying that now a period of waiting will now. For intermission no more pertains to me, my lord, than you. Your fortune stood upon the caskets there, and so did mine. As the matters falls, for wooing here, until I sweat again, and sweating till my very roof was dry, with oaths of love at last. If promise last, I got a promise of this fair one here, to have her love, provided that your fortune achieved her mistress. Intermission is a break or a wait. Now he is saying that now I will not agree upon waiting for my lady, just as you will not be able to agree upon waiting for the mistress. Similarly, I will not be able to wait for the maid. Your fate depended upon the choice of the caskets. He is saying that the fate that you had placed your destiny, your fate in the casket, and similarly my fate, it also was dependent upon the choice of the casket that you were going to make. And then he says, as things happened, courting my love beloved with all my energy, and making host till the very roof of my mouth was dry. Now, as it happened, as the matters progressed, I was trying to convince my love, and I have convinced her till my mouth could dry, till the saliva, till the moisture inside my mouth could dry. And then he says, and I had tried to convince her for my love till she actually got convinced. If promise law, which still holds good. Now she got convinced, and she is still convinced by how I tried to convince him. I got a promise of this fair one here. I got a promise from this pretty maid over here, to have her love, provided that your fortune achieved her mistress. And I got a promise from her that she will give me her love, she will be my partner if you achieve your mistress. If you were able to make the correct choice of casket, and if you were able to achieve your mistress, if you were able to achieve the love of your mistress, then she agreed upon giving her love to me. Portia, is this true, Nerissa? Portia is inquiring from Nerissa. Is it true, Nerissa? Nerissa, madam, it is. So you stand pleased with her. So, Nerissa is saying that yes, madam, it is actually true, but it is true only to the limit that it pleases you. If it pleases you, then it is true. Bassanio, and do you, Gratiano, mean good faith? And now Bassanio is inquiring from Gratiano, and he is saying that Gratiano, I want to know from you that whatever you have said it in the best of your senses, that you actually are in love with this lady. Gratiano, yes, faith, my lord. Yes, with full faith I am saying that I love this lady. Bassanio, our feast shall be much honored in your marriage. Now he is saying our feast will be much honored by having marriage celebration, by having our feast, our gathering will be much honored by having the marriage celebration of ours as well as yours together. Gratiano, but who comes here, Lorenzo? Who comes here? Gratiano is saying that who is coming here? Lorenzo, and with his infidel. And Lorenzo with his Jews. Infidel means non-believer in Christian faith, in reference to Jessica. He is saying this with regards to Jessica. Lorenzo is a person who has actually eloped with Shylock's daughter Jessica, and now he has entered. That is why he is saying infidel. Infidel means a person who does not have belief in Christianity. Non-believer of Christianity. Clear? Non-believer of Christianity. What? And my lord, Venetian friend Salario. And here comes my lord, Venetian friend Salario, along with Lorenzo and his infidel. Bassanio, Lorenzo and Salario welcome hither. Bassanio says that Lorenzo and Salario, you are welcome here. If that the youth of my new interest here have power to bid you welcome. By your leave, I bid my friends and countrymen sweet Portia welcome. If my newly acquired rights have the power to welcome you, if that the youth of my new interest here means the newly acquired power that I have gained after winning Portia, have the power to bid you. That part has the power, has enough strength to welcome you, then I welcome you by your leave. I bid my good friends and countrymen, sweet Portia, welcome. With your permission and dear Portia, I welcome my friends and countrymen. Portia, so do I, my lord. They are entirely welcome. So do I also welcome them, my lord, and they are entirely welcome. Lorenzo, I thank you on your honor. For my part, my lord, my purpose was not to have seen you here, but meeting with Salario by the way. He did entreat me past all saying nay to come with him along. Lorenzo says that I thank you for honoring me. As for me, my lord, my intention was not to meet you here, but I met Salario on the way, and he persuaded me without taking any refusal to accompany him. I didn't intend to come this way. I didn't intend to come towards you, but my lord Salario persuaded me, and he denied to take refusal from me, and he had asked me to accompany him to this place. Salario, I did, my lord, and I have reason for it. Signor Antonio commends him to you. Now, Salario says that I did, my lord, and I have a reason for this. Signor Antonio sends you his greetings. Bassanio, here I open his letter. Here I open his letter. I pray you tell me how my good friend doth. I pray you, I request you to tell how my good friend is doing. Salario, not sick, my lord, unless it is in mind. Neither sick nor well, my lord, unless it is in his mind. What is in his mind? Nor well, unless in mind. He is not at peace. His mind is also not at peace unless it is there in his mind. His letter there, that is, his letter will show you his estate. His letter will show you his estate, will make you aware of his condition, will make you aware of his state, means his financial condition. Gratiano, Nerissa, cheer your stranger